YouTube makes laptop repair look easy. Search almost any laptop problem online, and you'll find dozens of videos showing someone fixing it in 10 minutes with a screwdriver and a smile. But what you don't see are the many cases where a simple problem turns into a much bigger one because of a well-intentioned do-it-yourself repair. My name's Tony. I run Why Not Tech Services here in Lethbridge, and I work mostly with home users and seniors. In this video, I want to talk about when you should not try to fix your laptop yourself, and why stopping early can save you a lot of stress, time, and money. Let's start with laptop screens. Cracked or flickering screens are one of the most common laptop problems I see. They're also one of the easiest to make worse. Modern laptop screens are thin, delicate, and connected with very fragile cables. One slip, one wrong pull, or one missed screw can damage the screen further. What starts out as a simple screen replacement can quickly turn into a much more expensive repair. Next, let's talk about laptop batteries. Swollen or failing batteries are not something to experiment with. If a battery is bulging, overheating, or causing the laptop's case to separate, it can be dangerous. Lithium batteries can ignite if punctured or bent. Trying to force a swollen battery out of a laptop is one of the fastest ways to cause a serious problem. Liquid damage is another situation where do-it-yourself repairs often backfire. If a laptop has had water, coffee, or any other liquid spilled on it, the damage doesn't always show up right away. Corrosion can continue to spread inside the laptop for days or even weeks. Turning the laptop back on too soon, or trying random fixes from the internet, like rice, can permanently damage components that might otherwise have been savable. Now let's talk about the most important thing of all, your data. Photos, pictures, emails, and personal files are often more valuable than the laptop itself. When a laptop is having serious issues, experimenting can put that data at risk. I've seen many cases where a repair attempt didn't just fail, it made data recovery impossible. That means one of the most important things to ask yourself is, if this goes wrong, what do I stand to lose? Now, this doesn't mean that you should never try anything yourself. Simple things like restarting the laptop, checking cables, or adjusting basic settings are usually safe. But when hardware, batteries, liquids, or your important data are involved, stopping early is often the safest move. When I help with laptop repairs, I take a very practical approach. I bill on-site work hourly, and I'll always explain what I see, what the risks are, and whether the repair even makes sense. Sometimes a repair is straightforward and worthwhile. Other times I'll tell you honestly that replacement is the better option. If you're unsure whether something is safe to try, asking first can prevent a small problem from becoming a major one. I provide laptop repair services here in Lethbridge, and I'm happy to give clear, straightforward advice, even if that advice means not proceeding. If this video helped you understand when to stop and ask for help, consider sharing it with someone who might be tempted to tackle a risky repair on their own. You'll find some helpful links below if you need assistance or just want to learn a bit more. Thanks for watching, and why not enjoy your technology?